got this new toy for my son and we're gonna check it out. It's a wooden tool toy. Say yay!
Yay!
All right, so opening this box, it comes with a nice instructions manual. And it comes with this really nice natural wood tool toy. It comes with this nice apron. It comes with all these cool screws and plastic nuts. It has a hammer. It has a wrench. A screwdriver. It has a lot of neat, colorful, wooden painted gears. It has some wooden display pieces there, some plates, oh, this looks like it's probably part of a tool that you can assemble and make. Saw, nice. And it looks like it has plates of all sorts of different size, colors, and shapes. Colors. The toy comes with an instructions manual, and with the instructions manual it gives you some guides on how to build different items. You can build a dog, a frog, a trolley, excavators, lots of different fun things depending on what your kid likes to play with at the time. The toolbox comes with this fun apron that your kid can dress up in if they'd like.